Let's draw and color a cute trophy. First, start by drawing a big U letter for the cup. Continue by drawing a long oval connecting to tips of the U letter. Draw 2 ears on the left and right of the cup. Now draw 2 short lines below the U. Draw 2 not pointy rectangles below, one small on top, and the bottom one longer. Continue by drawing a star in the middle of the cup. Finish by drawing 2 cute eyes and a small mouse. Nice! Now it's time to color the trophy. Use gold for the cup, ears, and legs, and dark gray for the bottom. Lastly, color the star with yellow. We did it! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.